Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the two types of people that will make money in 2019. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and how you can make money online and the people that will make money online in 2019. So the first type of people that are going to make money are the creators. Creators are going to crush it in 2019 just like they did in 2018 and they will do in 2020. All these people will just crush it because if you are a creator and creating some valuable content for anyone, you will be making some money. There's no question about that. If you are willing to put in the work and actually create some content, put it out there, helping people out. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, because if you're a creator, you can do it in literally any niche that you really want. You can do, tech reviews if you're reviewing phones, or if you're reviewing, glasses of water or anything like that. You can make a ton of money because just creating content will just blow up in 2019, and it's already going crazy, but more and more people are going to be online and have a connection in 2019, and it will just grow and grow and grow because the internet is right at the beginning of its age, believe it or not. So this is one of the people that are going to make money, are the creators. And my sentence wasn't properly right, but who cares, you got the point. The second type of people that are going to make money are the marketers. If you combine the two, it's going to be insane, but we're going to talk about that. So the marketers are going to make a ton of money because that's like, you could have the best product in the world, you could have the best service, you could have the best anything like that. No matter what you have, if you don't know how to sell it, you will not make any money, and you need a product to sell. If you don't have anything to sell, then you're not making money. So the marketers are just going to crush it in 2019, no matter what platform you're on. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, blogging, YouTube, like if you're a marketer and you know what you're doing and you learn how to create funnels, and by the way, if you don't know how to do this, you just have to learn about that and watch my other videos, because this will help you out. But that will be the people that will make the money. The people that are marketers and learn how to actually market the product and put it in front of the right people, these are the people that are going to make money. So if you combine the two and you have people that are actually creators and creating content and are marketers, these people are going to crush it in 2019. So if you want to crush it, believe me, you have to do both. Create some content, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on a blog, whether it's Instagram, Snapchat, I don't care what you do, even if it's Facebook ads or YouTube ads, it doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, you have to do that and learn how to create some content. And if you're creating some content and marketing and learning funnels and all these things, that's the way you are going to crush it in 2019. So this was a bit late because it's already the 10th of January, but it's late for a video, but it's not too late for you to start. No matter when you want to start, even if it's the end of the year, and the earlier you start, the better, then you will crush it in 2019. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Make sure that you check out my other videos as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.